say you're in your early to mid 30s and you find a grey hair, or maybe you're even younger. Is it time to freak out? Well, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but I'm gonna tell you about my personal experience with finding grey hairs, in particular in my beard. I'm in my mid 30s now, and I remember finding a grey hair when I was 30. I could have been late 29, early 30, and it was a nose hair. I was plucking out some nose hair and there was a white one, and I freaked the hell out. I was thinking, oh no, this is the end. Finding a grey hair is just a reminder of your mortality. It sucks. It shows you're getting old. And when you find one, you're thinking, that's it, that's the end. I'm gonna go fully grey tomorrow. It's all over. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not, because when I found that first grey, it was in my early 30s. I'm in my mid 30s now and I'm still not grey. However, the amount of grey hairs that pop up have accelerated. As you can see, I'm not actually grey, and I can tell you that I don't dye my hair, I don't dye my beard, but I do pluck out any grey hairs that pop up, and they generally pop up in my beard here. So every week or so, I'll comb through here with some tweezers and just in front of the mirror, pluck out 1 or 2 grey hairs that pop up. There was one I plucked out here. Besides that, nothing. I've never really found any greys around here. There is the odd one that pops up here. Very rare, one out of a year, one yearly pops up in my eyebrows, and I think I've had one here that I've plucked out. Other than that, I feel like it's probably average. Pretty lucky that I'm in my mid 30s. I know in my genetics, my dad started going grey probably in his 40s, or maybe even earlier, but by his mid 40 to 45, he had that, you know, that grey mixed with brown look, which can be a good look. So what are your options if you find some grey hairs, or if you have an abundance of grey hairs in your beard? Well, if it's like my situation where the greys just pop up here and there, you can obviously pluck them out. If they're taking over your beard and they're everywhere, well, you can dye the hairs, which is perfectly fine. Or you can just roll with it, go for that look. I mean, there are plenty of good looking beards that are grey, or even that, you know, when there's some grey, some not grey hairs, that can be a good look as well. So just embrace it and do that. But yeah, from my personal experience, if you find one, it's not time to freak out. You've got many years where they'll pop up here and there, and then I'm sure at some point they'll accelerate to a point where I'll either have to dye my hair or just live with it. Anyway, what about you guys? Let me know in the comments below your experiences. Have you had the odd grey that's been there for years and a stubborn one, or has it carried on and ended up being full grey? And what do you do about it? Do you dye? Do you just embrace it? Let me know. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. But that will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.